Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen hard questions on integration, and today example on integration is integration under root 3 minus x divide 3 plus x into sine inverse in bracket 1 upon root 6 under root 3 minus x dx. Which method is suitable for this example? If you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's now do start. First we can write let I is equal to integration under root 3 minus x divided by 3 plus x into sine inverse 1 upon root 6 under root 3 minus x dx. Here we observe which method is suitable for this example. We have the observation under root 3 minus x divided 3 plus x, and also this is the same term under root 3 minus x. We can here use the substitution method. Here put the substitute here x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta, and this function differentiate, we get here dx is equal to, this is the derivative of 3 cos theta is equal to 3 into, this is the minus sine 2 theta into 2 and d theta. Okay, then simplification term becomes as dx is equal to minus 6 into sine 2 theta and d theta, and this integration becomes as, we can write as I is equal to integration under root 3 minus x is equal to, this is 3 cos 2 theta, and also divided by, this is 3 plus, this is 3 cos 2 theta into, this is becomes sine inverse 1 upon under root 6, and in under root also 3 minus x is equal to, we know that this is 3 cos 2 theta, and into dx is equal to minus 6 sine 2 theta into d theta, and this integration becomes as integration, here observe 3 is get here common, then we can write as 3 minus cos 2 theta and divided by 3 1 plus cos 2 theta into, this is sine inverse 1 upon, this is the root 6, and we here observe this is also get 3 here common, 1 minus cos 2 theta, here bracket complete, minus 6 into sine 2 theta into d theta. Yes, okay, then here 3 get cancel, and we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to related formula there 2 sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta, we know that 2 cos square theta, and this integration becomes as I is equal to integration under root, here we can write the 1 minus cos theta, replace the 2 sine square theta and divided by 2 cos square theta into, this is the sine inverse in bracket, this term 1 upon root 6 under root, here we can write 3 in bracket 1 minus cos theta, we know that 2 sine square theta, 2 into 3 6. Okay, therefore this is the 6 sine square theta in bracket 1 minus 6 sine 2 theta and d theta. There now we can find the integration. Here we observe 2 to get here cancel, this root 6 term and root 6 term get here cancel, and I is equal to integration, this is get outside, we get sine theta divided by cos theta into sine inverse, we get here sine theta and minus 6 into sine 2 theta and d theta. Yes, okay, now we know that the inverse trigonometry property, sine inverse into sine x is equal to, we can write only x, therefore this term becomes vanish, and I is equal to integration, therefore sine theta divided by cos theta, and only we can write theta. Yes, and we get here minus 6 into this sine 2 theta, here we know that 2 sine theta into cos theta, these are the related formula. Yes, okay, therefore this integration becomes as, okay, this understand, simplify this integral, and we get here I is equal to integration, here cos theta and the cos theta get cancel, and we get here minus 6 into 2 sine theta into sine theta, this is the sine square theta, and this is theta and d theta. Yes, okay, and here now we can get outside here minus 6 and integration 2 sin square theta into theta and d theta. Here we know that also 2 sin square theta is equal to, we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta. Yes, and this integration becomes, we can write as minus 6 integration here 1 minus cos 2 theta into theta and d theta, and we multiply throughout by theta, and then here we get integration as theta into cos 2 theta and d theta. And now we can find the separate integration of both this function, that is minus 6. Therefore we can write here integration theta into theta minus integration theta into cos 2 theta and d theta. Okay, and here we can write the integration as theta, we know that there theta square divided by 2, this is minus here integration, this is, we know that this is first term and this is the second term, and by using IBP, yes, okay, theta kept as it is, integration of cos 2 theta, this is the second function, we know that sin 2 theta divided by 2, then minus sign integration derivative of theta is equal to 1, and integration of cos 2 theta, we know that they are sin 2 theta divided by 2, and this is d theta and bracket complete. Yes, okay, and now this term can vanish here. Yes, okay, then this integration becomes as, we can write, this is minus 6, this is theta square divided by 2, this is minus theta into sin 2 theta divided by 2, then minus minus we get here plus. Yes, okay, then this term integration sin 2 theta, again here minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 into 2 bracket complete. Yes, and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, then this term becomes as minus 6 theta square divided by 2 minus theta into sin 2 theta divided by 2, and this plus minus get minus, and we get here minus cos 2 theta divided by 4, and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, now observe here we can multiple throughout by minus 6, then we get here this is the minus 3 theta square minus 3 theta minus this here plus, therefore 6 in bracket, this is term theta into sin 2 theta divided by 2, and this is the term minus minus we are given plus. Yes, okay, plus, then plus this is the cos 2 theta divided by 4, and plus is the constant of integration. Okay, now again this integral simplification term become as, here we observe here 4, here multiply by 2 into 2, then we get this is minus 3 theta plus 6, and this is 2 theta into sin 2 theta, this is divided by 4, plus this is cos 2 theta divided by 4, and plus is the constant of integration. Now here back put, this is the x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta, then cos 2 theta is equal to, we get here x by 3. Yes, okay, and we get also 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x by 3, and also we get theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x by 3. Okay, and we get the final solution as, yes, we can write the final solution now as, therefore I is equal to, this is term minus 3 theta square, this term becomes, we get here square, this is we can write as 1 by here 4, this is 1 by 4, and cos inverse this is x by 3 bracket square. Now this is the plus 6, and here we get 2 theta is equal to, we know that this is the cos inverse x by 3, therefore this is cos inverse x by 3, and we know that sin 2 theta. Okay, here find the sin 2 theta, here sin 2 theta is equal to under root, this is 1 minus cos square 2 theta we can write. Okay, and we know that cos theta is equal to x by 3, and this term becomes as 1 minus, this is the square, that means this is the x square divided by 9, and this term becomes as 9 minus x square divided by 3. Yes, okay, and that means this is the 9 minus x square divided by 3, and also divided by 4. Yes, okay, and now simplification term becomes as, we can write here plus yes, okay, this is the plus cos 2 theta. We know that cos inverse cos 2 theta is equal to, yes, cos 2 theta is equal to x by 3, yes, okay, therefore this is the x by 3 into 4, yes, okay, bracket complete, and plus is the constant of integration, and we get the final solution as here 1 by 4 is the common term, and therefore in bracket this is the minus 3 cos inverse x by 3, this is the bracket square, okay, and this is the plus, we can multiply by 6, yes, okay, 3 into here 3 into 2 6, that means here we get 2 cos inverse, this is x by 3 under root, this is the 9 minus x square, and 1 by 4 is the common term, and this is the plus, and this 6 term also here multiply, that means 3 into 2, and here we get 2x and plus is the constant of integration, and this is the my final solution. Yes, if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.